In this video, I'm going to show you how to have two applications open on your iPad. So the first thing we're going to do is just open the first application that we want to open. So let's say, for example, we wanted to open the YouTube application. And then once you've opened your first application, we can click on these three horizontal dots in the top navigation and click on Split View. Now, as you can see, this application is now going to be moved to either the left or the right. And then what we can do is open up our second application. So I'm just going to open up my Notes app, but this can be anything. It doesn't really matter. And now, as you can see, we have these two applications side by side. And what you can actually do is slide this middle bar to either the left or the right to either increase or decrease the size of either of these applications. So by default, it would just be a 50% split either side. Now, another thing you can do is click on the three horizontal dots in the top navigation on either the left or the right side. So I'm just going to click it on this right side here. And we can also click on slide over. And what this is going to do is put the Notes application on top of the YouTube application. So rather than it being a split screen all the way down the middle, it's just going to open the Notes application on top of the YouTube application. So sometimes this can come in handy as well. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next.